can always see the name. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.
Hey yo, what's good, family? Welcome back to Astro Nori for another video. Today we're actually going to be covering this Yohji Yamamoto collaboration for Supreme Week 4. It's crazy that we're already on week 4. This shit is gonna fly by. I can already tell. I feel like this season is gonna be pretty clean, and once I heard that they were doing this collab, I actually got pretty amped because I am a fan. There's a lot of people who probably don't even know who Yohji Yamamoto is, and he actually is the owner of Y3, which is an extension to Adidas. If you guys remember the whole Ultra Boost scene, Y3 actually had the Pure Boost, which those were really popular around that time. They do like the more expensive side of Adidas, so it's like a luxury Adidas pretty much, but it's actually fire, bro. I'm a huge fan, and I actually own a pair of Y3s. If you do end up enjoying this video, slap a fat like on it down below. Subscribe to the channel if you are new or would enjoy more of this type of content. Click those post notification bells so you're notified each and every time I post a new video. Also, man, please make sure you subscribe because it will help me reach my goal of 20,000 subscribers by the end of the year. It definitely would mean a lot if you guys help me out with that. But without any further ado, man, let's go ahead and get straight into this video. In my opinion, the collaboration is actually looking pretty fire. I'm looking to pick up a couple pieces from this collaboration, including some of the tees, maybe the beanie, a crew neck. A lot of heat is coming out, but we're gonna start from the bottom of the list and work our way up to the better items. First off, we got a suit coming out. I don't know who's buying Supreme and trying to rock a suit that has Game Over on the back of it. Like, I don't know. This is more than likely for the hipsters that wear suits casually. Like, I'm good on that shit. We got the pants coming out with it too. This is probably gonna be like $600 minimum. I understand why this is at the bottom of the list. We got this leather work jacket, bro. Who is out here biking with it? Like, it's about to be winter, bro. Who is pulling out the dirt bikes, the Harleys, and the Ninjas? Like, it's not happening, bro. It's about to be brick titty out here, and this is definitely not it, but I feel like it's cool if you like it. You got no branding on the front. Back, you got that Supreme Yohji Yamamoto with like this face on it. It's eye in the black colorway. That orange could low-key take a seat. Good on that one, folks. But we do got this Yohji Yamamoto shirt. This is the button up right here. It has like this flower, like a lotus flower bomb on the back, and it says "This was tomorrow," which low-key is kind of deep. It has his signature on it, then a box logo under it. I feel like retail is gonna be like $230 minimum for these pieces, because retail for Y3 is way higher than Supreme, so we're gonna see what they do with this. This shirt is definitely a dub. I don't see no resale on that bitch at all. But we do got this parka, which the parka is actually kind of fire, bro. Definitely a fan of that white. What the fuck is that on the front? I don't know if I'm a fan no more. I'm definitely a fan of the back of the parka. It has that Supreme, then it has his signature under it. I'm a fan of that. That's actually clean. But then the front has some other shit that I don't even know what it is. It's actually an artwork by Sanchito. That's another person who did collaborations with Supreme before, if you guys do recall. I don't know, son. This one might just stay right there. Retail might be $500 to $600 on that, and that's steep, bro. Like, it's not happening. I'm good on that shit. One of the better pieces releasing definitely has to be the hoodie. Two of the colorways I'm a fan of. Then the third one is just like, the white one and the olive are clean in my opinion. I don't know how I feel about that peachy pinkish color. That one's just not my cup of tea, you feel me? Like, it's not for me. Like, the olive one is probably the best one, and then the white one isn't bad as well. I just feel like the faces pop out too much on the white one, so I would definitely leave that one to the side. The olive one is clean though, but I'm still deciding how to feel about it. I feel like it's clean, but I don't know if I would go out the way and buy this piece, if that makes sense. If I could get it for retail and retail was under $200, then I would get it. This is a clean ass hoodie, and I feel like down the line it will be worth something. I just feel like if retail is $400, it won't be worth shit. But now we're gonna start getting into the tees and the better items. We have this Game Over tee, which is probably one of my favorite ones. I definitely am a fan of that black colorway. The black one's actually pretty clean. I feel like that would be the one that I would buy out of the two colorways, but I feel like retail for these is gonna range from $58, which is literally, we would be blessed if it's that price, to $98. It'll probably be like $78 for a tee, but you do have to understand that the quality is different. If they decided to use the Y3 shirts, the quality of the pieces are definitely gonna be higher up, so it'll be worth that $78 retail. In my opinion, I might just end up going for a couple tees, but this Game Over tee right here might end up doing good in the long run. I feel like it's the least favorite, but it's clean, bro. You got like that car design and like this multi-color color vibe. I don't know how to explain it. Next, we got the best outerwear that they came out from the collaboration, and it's the Puffy Coat. The Puffy Coat is a vibe, bro. And that olive color or the black, shit is hard. Like, that branding on the back is all you need. It has the Supreme with his signature on it. The front is simple. It don't got nothing on it. I feel like this is like a everyday coat that you could just wear when it start getting brick nippleton out there. Vibe, bro. If this is $500, they could lick they could smoke a whole tip with that. But like, if it's $250, $300, which I doubt, it's fire, son. Like, that jacket is definitely a vibe. I don't know if I'm gonna end up going for it. I'm probably not, but it looks clean. You feel me? Like, it's cool. We got the Yamamoto Scribble Tee. This is like this artwork. It almost looks like a fucking zombie. It has his signature under it with a box logo. It actually is artwork by Yohji Yamamoto himself. This is actually clean. I don't know if I'll end up going for it myself, but we do have the "This Was Tomorrow." I love that saying, bro. I low-key want to get that tatted. Nope. This tee is probably one of the better ones. I love the flower on there. It just seems peaceful, you feel me? It's a peaceful ass shirt. If these are $68, I would definitely go for like 2 or 3 of the shirts and just call it a day. Resale won't be too great at first, but it will creep up. One thing that I must say is that this season, resale is low-key kind of there, bro. Some of these items have been doing really good, and I feel like some of these pieces will do the same, because the collab is looking like a vibe, bro. If I'm being honest, I feel like that "This Was Tomorrow" tee is gonna do good. And another piece that might end up doing good is this beanie. Every color for the beanie is a banger. I definitely am mainly a fan of the olive and the black, but the orange one is still cool. I just feel like you can't see the Supreme too much on there. That olive and the black ones, bro, those gotta come home with me. Like, for me, I think it's gonna be that olive colorway. It looks like it's all sewn in as well, which is a vibe. I'm fucking with this collab, son. Like, this shit is clean. We got this Yamamoto sweater. It's kind of like a knit sweater. It reminds me of like the CDG collaborations where they dropped this heavy knitted sweater. That shit looks clean. I feel like retail will be around $368, $328, around that price point. This is a clean looking sweater nonetheless, but I don't know if I'm trying to dish out that much money for a sweater. Knowing myself, chances are that I might not even wear this shit, so I might just leave that be and just appreciate it for what it is. Depending on the retail, you might be able to make some money on that shit. I'm not even gonna lie to you, but that is a fire piece nonetheless. We got a couple more pieces to talk about. Then we're straight up out the building. One of them being the Scribble Wolf Tee. That is one of the other tees that I definitely am a fan of. I just like the way that the wolf looks on it. I like the white one, honestly, but I can't get that shit. It just doesn't resonate with me. I feel like the black one is still clean. You got that Supreme box logo at the bottom, Yohji's signature. This artwork is actually done by Yamamoto himself. It looks like it actually took time to get this done. I can definitely appreciate this piece, and I can see myself going for it low-key, but who knows, bro. Now we're gonna talk about the 2 best pieces in the collab, hands down, being the Yamamoto crew neck. This one basically has that Supreme spell out on the front with the Yamamoto signature on it. If you're a hype beast and you love the branding, this is what you're going for right here. If I'm being honest, it kind of looks like a Supreme quality crew neck, so I feel like these prices shouldn't be too high. The more that I look at it, this shit looks fire, bro. I'm a fan of that black color, if it's a black or a navy, and then that olive one, bro. I don't know what it is, but the olive and the blacks for this collection is something different. The white one is clean too, but I'm good on that. That olive and the black crew neck low-key make me want to go for it. I feel like retail will be like $168-ish, something like that, and resale will be $240 plus guaranteed. I feel like branding is clean. It just looks fire, bro. You can probably make like $70 easy on that crew neck right there. And last up, we got the logo tee, which is the item that I want, bro. This shit is fire. And that black colorway, bro, come on. The thing about these items is they're dropping in 2 colorways, so this shit is gonna kapoof. I love this black one though. This one is actually something that I would debate keeping in the personal. It just looks fire. The quality of the tee kind of looks like Supreme, I'm not gonna lie. I like the fact that the Supreme spell out kind of looks like a different font than they always do. It's not that same classic, that same other font that they always use. It's something new and a little bit more refreshing. I love the way that they did it as well with the overlapping logos. This is just fire, bro. It's simple, but it's clean and straight to the point. I feel like resale for that will definitely be like $100 to $120. Once again, it all depends on the retail prices, so I will make a video talking about items that will resell from this drop. Like, not every single item will be covered. In that video, I'll probably talk about the best drop list items and then the best items from the collab that you should resell. I'll talk about the the retail and what I think resell will be. I feel like there is some margin to be made in these pieces. And if you did enjoy this video, man, slap a fat like on it down below. Subscribe to the channel. If you are new and would enjoy more of this type of content, please make sure you subscribe. I'm trying to reach 20,000 subscribers by the end of the year, and the only way that is possible is if everyone watching right now hits that subscribe button with the notification bell so you're notified each and every time I post a new video. With all that being said, man, I'm gonna catch you guys on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.
Never see the sun, always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.